Hello guys, today we will discuss about how to browse an image and convert it into other formats by using push buttons in Guide Toolbox. So agenda of the video is how to browse an image, how to convert RGB image to grayscale image, and how to convert RGB to black and white image. So guys, before start this lecture, if you have not saw our previous video lecture, then see first for better understanding this tutorial. Previous video links is in description. So let's start the tutorial. Firstly, open your guide toolbox by typing guide in your command window. Then select default and press OK. This is our guide environment. Now select your push button and axis and place it here. Firstly, I select my push button and then I select my axis and place it here. Double click on push button to open properties of push button. Here you can see number of properties of push button. Change string of push button. I write it browse an image. Then go for tag property and change tag name as per your requirement. In programming file, function will be created as name as tag name. Tag name is the most important property if you are using guide. I changed it browse. You can also change the button colors and other properties. Now close that window and save the GUI file by using Ctrl+S. Now this is the .m file of that GUI. Go to callback function of push button. Here you can see that function of browse callback. You can also find the function of button by opening guide. Right click on your push button. Here you can see that view callback and click on callback. So here is the function of that particular push button. Now UI get file is used to browse any image. The syntax is I take two variable. The first one is file and the last one is path is equals to. Now define extension of image, that is .jpg. So after browsing an image, we have to read that particular image by using imread command. The syntax of imread, so I place a variable that is img, write your command imread. So here you can write firstly your path, then your file. So after read that image, I will show it by using imshow command. Now save that file and play to view the results. Click on button. A dialog box will appear. Now select any image from your PC. Here you can see that selected image in your MATLAB. Now we convert this image into grayscale and black and white. Again open same GUI file. Now place two more push buttons, one for grayscale and one for black and white, and change the properties, that is strings and tag name of those push buttons as per your requirement. So I write string over here, that is grayscale, and I also change the tag name of that button, that is gray. Now go for the third button properties. Here I change the string. Now change that tag name again. Now save that file. So here you can see the callback function of gray and black buttons. Now most importantly, if we use any variable in multiple function, for example we use same image in other two functions, so we have to global that variable by using global command. Firstly, we write global in front of that variable. The variable is img. After that, go to opening function of your program and define that img variable also there. So I open my opening function of program and I write global img also over here. Now we open grave callback function, call back that image by using global img. Now we convert this image into grayscale image by using RGB to gray command. So firstly I take a variable that is img1 is equals to write your command that is RGB to gray and define your image that is placed in img variable. After convert that image, now we will show it by using imshow command. So save that file and play again. Now browse any image again. So here is the image I selected, then click on grayscale and it will be converted into grayscale image. Same as we will write a code for black and white image. So open your .m file. Again call back your original image. Now command is im to bw used to convert RGB image to black and white image. Now I convert it into black and white. Now show that image. Save and play to view the results. So we again browse any image and here is the output you see. So that's the basic concept of image processing with Guide. Kindly subscribe our channel if you like this video. Thank you.